Hey everyone, what is up and welcome back to my channel. It's me, Marisa here, and if you're new, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join my little YouTube family. But I am so excited to be here today doing another sit down video. I feel like I haven't gotten to actually like sit down and just talk to my camera in a while, so it feels good to be back doing that. But for today's video, I have a super exciting video, I must say. I'm really excited for it. This has been in the works for like a good month and a half or so, and I am so excited to finally be doing the video. So today I'm going to be doing a FabFitFun subscription box unboxing. Here is my winter 2020 box. I am so excited for it. This is my first ever FabFitFun box that I have ever owned, and I'm just really excited. FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box with full-size, emphasis on the full-size, beauty, fashion, fitness, and other kinds of lifestyle products. And the fact that these items in this box are full-size, I personally think is amazing. You're getting a huge value for the price that you're paying for these boxes. I've done like a lot of subscription services in the past, but they were all like sample sizes or minis, and I just felt like I wasn't really getting much of a value over what I got every month. But like with this, like, you get it with this box, and I love it. And something else that I love about FabFitFun is that their mission is to deliver happiness to everyone everywhere, just like me, where I love spreading kindness and joy. That's the mission of the company, so I think it is fantastic. And let's go ahead and get into my goodies because they're amazing, spoiler alert. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and get into the products that I got. So the very first one that I got is this Daily Concepts Daily Facial Dry Brush. It's a little nice kind of travel mini size brush that you can kind of just keep anywhere. It's a really good compact size, and I actually looked in this book on like how you actually use it, and you're supposed to use it on clean and dry skin to kind of exfoliate and reduce inflammation in your skin. So I'm very excited to give this a try and add this into my skincare routine. The next product that I got is a skincare product, and it is the MURAD Rapid Collagen Infusion Treatment, and I'm really excited to try this. I know Murad is such a good skincare brand. There's this one product that I've been wanting to try for them for a really long time, so I'm very excited to give this a try. And I just love new skincare products and just like getting to update my routine. I love it. The next thing that I got, I am so excited for. Like I said, I am 20 years old, but I honestly do still struggle with acne, and it's probably a lot of it like from stress and stuff, just from school and life and everything like that. But I'm always just looking for like new purifying skincare products. So this one is by the brand Dr. BRANDT, and I have been wanting to try his stuff for also a really long time, and it is the Pores No More Pore Purifying Cleanser with salicylic acid, tea tree oil, and white willow bark. So I am very excited to give this a try. And these products are all also like fantastic sizes. They're full-size products, but like they're compact enough that you can like throw them in an overnight bag, keep them in your dorm caddy, keep them in your shower, like in your apartment. Like, they're small enough, so that's like awesome to me. But I'm very excited to give this a try because I'm always looking for like purifying products like cleansers, face masks, toners. So I'm really excited to give this a shot and see what it does for my skin. The last skincare related item that I got is this Botanic Beauty, I hope I'm saying that word right, Guardian Angel Revitalizing Eye Gels, and they're like little patches for underneath your eyes, and they are ideal for tired and overworked eyes, which for me, being in college, I'm literally on my computer all day long doing school and then working, like doing YouTube and doing this other job that I have right now. So I'm always staring at a computer screen and my eyes get exhausted. Also, these are good for travel and pre-party prep, so that sounds good to me. Alright, so moving on from the skincare products, the next product in my box is a hair mask, and this is called the Rhythm of Rain Hair Mask and Scalp Detox from the brand VOUR. I don't think I'm saying that right, but this is a pure and soothing mask with shea butter and argan oil in a cleansing cream to restore scalp health and replenish moisture for shining hair that's soft, strong, and hydrated. I need this. My hair right now in the winter is like so dry. It's honestly like crazy, so I'm really excited to give this a try. The next item that I got is actually a makeup product, and this is a liquid eyeliner by the company AESTHETICA. Really cool name, very aesthetic, literally. And it's just a regular black full-size liquid eyeliner. I honestly kind of needed a new liquid eyeliner, so this was pretty good to me. The next thing I got is a super fun item from Below the Belt, and it's this really cute and really pretty like cranberry color card holder, and it's like a nice little scaly like texture on it. And this is called the Croc Card Case, I believe. That's what it says on the back of this. But yeah, that'll be super cute just to kind of like throw in my purse or like put in a wristlet for some extra organization. And I love this very cranberry burgundy winter color. It looks really cute. And the final thing in my box, which I am so excited for, like I literally saw this and I about died, are these Kate Spade New York earrings. And I love Kate Spade. Like her purses, her wallets are just they're probably one of my favorite like purse companies ever. So when I saw that these were part of the winter box, I was like, oh my goodness. They're these really gorgeous 2 pairs of stud earrings. The first pair is gold plated and just has the really simple crystal in the middle. And the second pair is also gold plated and just has the really pretty pearls. I love these. I am so excited to wear them. Like, they're gorgeous. I've been also needing like new gold earrings because I've actually been getting into wearing gold a lot more, so I am very excited about this. I also love these earrings because they'll be really cute to wear when I'm at college, just like for everyday wear, or I can even easily like dress them up with a different outfit. But I love dainty jewelry like this just for kind of everyday wear when I'm at college. And it's just like nice, compact, small, simple. So that'll go with a lot of outfits that I have just like for every day when I'm at school. So that is all of my amazing products that I got in this season's Winter 2020 FabFitFun subscription box. I love everything, and this is my very first box, and honestly, like, you get a lot of product here for your value. Especially being a college student, I know that we are on a budget, but with my coupon code, you can get your very first box from FabFitFun for only $39.99. So splurge a little bit, treat yourself. These products and brands that FabFitFun uses are amazing, and it is totally worth it. And you're getting over $200 worth of product literally for only $39.99 if you use my code. I will have it on screen here, and then of course in the description box down below I'll have the website, all the information you could possibly need down there if you want to get your own subscription box for the next season. I think overall my favorite products that I received in this box, if I had to pick 2, I think I would definitely choose the earrings and then this Dr. BRANDT Pore Purifying Cleanser face scrub. I'm really excited about these 2 especially, but I am so excited about all the products. If you guys have a favorite product here that you really like or that stood out to you, leave me a comment down below. I would love to see your thoughts on that. So I think that pretty much wraps up today's video. I really hope that you all enjoyed getting to see what was in my FabFitFun box. And if you guys enjoyed, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, leave some nice comments down below, and of course subscribe to my channel for more videos just like these ones. And I will talk to you guys soon in my next video. Bye everyone. Thanks so much for watching.
Oh, Christmas tree. Honestly, it's never been much about you. Don't get me wrong, I think you're great. Root of tradition we celebrate. But oh, Christmas tree.